Hey guys, so welcome back to the Saturday session, guys. All right, hope everyone's doing good. We will be trying to focus on Bitcoin, gold. Today, the gold market is close, in fact, but we'll try to analyze on other coins as well. Okay, so hope everyone's doing good. Welcome, guys. Welcome everyone to the crypto analysis channel by Dragonboot30. All right, so without wasting time, let's try to do some research on Bitcoin, what's happening around, right? Before that, this was the setup that I have given you all on a live long time back. Okay, that was not a financial advice though, and it pumped almost 9.34 percentage alone on algo. All right, so this is the advantage of their advantage of altcoins. Okay, and disadvantage also there were altcoins. Okay. So let's go back on Bitcoin and check it out what's happening around with Bitcoins. Firstly, let's try to check on 1 day time frame. Okay, 1 day what's happening around, right? Welcome guys, welcome. Hope everyone's doing good. Okay, just a second. Let me quickly send the link to the group as well. Those who have not joined my Telegram group, you can join it. All right, so that you will get the information earlier, right? So when I come to the live stream, right? So you get the informations a little bit earlier. Okay, so what's happening? Okay, so 1 day time frame. Okay, if we try to check on a bigger trend of this, all right, so this is the trend reversal from here, right? And Bitcoin now is in this trend. All right, so most probably for a bigger time frame, right? So I let me try to draw one trend from here as well. Okay. Okay, so trend reversed from here. All right, this is on 1 minute, not a 1 day time frame. Let's go back to the 1 day time frame and come back. All right. Let's go to gold, Bitcoin, not a gold, right? Hope everyone's doing good, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. Okay, so this is on a daily time frame Bitcoin, guys. Okay, so let's see. So if we check this one, this is the biggest trend, the weekly time frame. We have broken out already. Okay guys, we are still stuck in this levels from last week only. All right. Okay, just a second guys. All right. Welcome guys, welcome guys. Niru Gupta, hi, please check BTC and tell about it. All right, Niru Gupta. Okay, so this is on a daily time frame. Okay, firstly let's try to check on a bigger time frame, then we will jump into the smaller time frames. All right, so Bitcoin is right at the resistance on the daily time frame. Let's forget about this one, right guys? Not forget, let's try to analyze few. Okay, so this is the resistance and Bitcoin have rose up from this level after the retest. Also it is passing upper side. Okay, so this is the level whereby where I'm thinking is still the Bitcoin can pump till this level and drop all the way towards this side, and then it will be decided. Okay, so from Tuesday to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, maybe you would like to check this one till Monday evening. You might like to see the price moving all the way towards the $81,500 still. All right, so in a bigger time frame, this is what you see, and we know the price have to come down into this level as well once more. Okay, according to the trend. Okay, this is according to the trend, guys. Okay. So nothing much to worry. Okay, and let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame and check it out. So 15 minutes. Okay, so this is trying to form a bullish flag in this level but not completed yet. All right, if you check it as a trend wise, the pattern wise, right? So it might like to form one flag over here before it moves up, right? So this is on 15 minutes, guys. All right, so you have a, so this is what we see. So anytime in this level, this can be one good opportunities to long BT, right, guys? This is what I feel. All right. So maybe one position can be activated from here if it happens to drop all the way towards downside. Okay, so most probably I'll be expecting price to firstly fall to this level. Okay, and pumping up will be a beautiful long for us. Okay, short from here and longing from here will be a beautiful long position. Okay, but if we try to check this big trend, this is all forming in a sideways and its price are getting squeezed in these levels, right? I have shown you all yesterday as well, so I don't want it to focus much on the sideways. Okay, there was a sideways move, still the Bitcoin is inside the sideways move. Okay, before we pump up, I'm expecting price to drop it a little bit downside, then we might like to go up on our 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is what we see right now on 15 minutes. Okay, so this was the previous trend, and right now on 15 minutes, this is what you see. Okay, and it have broken up an upper zone horizontally, right, and it is retesting this phase. So most probably getting a rejection from this level can give one short position for you all to come dump all the way towards this zone. Okay, one short position, and after here longing will be a beautiful one. All right, so this is still in the sideways, guys. Okay, sideways. Hey, few days left, then I will be able to finish that indicator. All right, designer hub. All right. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. So there was a W pattern formed. So rather than getting a wing, it directly went up and swap it all the way towards this zone. Okay. So maybe it is again playing in this zone. If it gets rejection from this level, it might like to drop. And if it happens to pass above this one, it might like to go all the way towards $78,000 once more. Okay. So this can be expected in this level. So most probably before we move up, I'm expecting price to fall it. Okay, little bit, then going up will be a beautiful one. Okay, but what we observe is over here, if it happens to break out an upper zone, that can be one long position for you all. All right, one long position. Okay, let's get back to the smaller time frame. Okay, let's get back to the smaller time frame. Let me delete everything, guys. Right, so yeah, this is on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, let's try to check it out what's happening on the 5 minutes time frame on BT, right? So overall on 15 minutes time frame, it is still in the sideways box, guys. You have seen it, right? So it's still playing inside the sideways box. Okay, so over here now, if it happens to pass through this level on a 5 minutes, where is it? So maybe this level's right. So it have given a small breakout, but not big one, right? So if it happens to pass through above, you might like to get one long position. Okay, but sideways moves are always risky, guys. You always needs to go with a smaller fund as possible so that you won't get bashed off, right, guys? Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday session. Okay, so you have a big support in this level. Okay, before we move up, it must be broken out once. Okay, before we move up. All right, you have a good support in fact in this levels. So this is what you see right now. Okay, so breaking up from this level will give you a long position. All right, one long position, and it might like to go all the way towards the first TP. My first TP will be in this zone. All right, this zone. Okay, and we have, yeah, that's the zone. Okay, let's see, guys, what it does. All right, so right now it's still inside the sideways box, but if it happens to get rejection from this level, okay, from this level, it will dump all the way towards downside. Okay, and firstly you can expect price till the drop till this level, right? So maybe that can be a drop till this level before we pump up, right? If we find an opportunity in this level, we'll buy it from lower side also. So for now, long side have a two setup, okay? Two setup, that is, one is from this level, all right, passing through upper side. That can give you all the one setup on upper side, okay? But if it happens to get rejection, that will be a short position, okay, till this level. Okay, simple guys, right? So getting rejection from this level and creating a structure for the downside will drag you till 76,800, 700, yeah, $76,800, right? But if it happens to pass through an upper side, you might like to go on upper side first, okay? So maybe that could be till this level or upper side continuously. So let's see guys what happens. All right, nothing financial advice, just make your own research before you move in. All right, so we'll be planning it, so nothing much to worry. So on our upper side as well, we have been breaking out from time and again in this levels, okay? If it happens to check it, one broke out, again broke out, again breaking out, all right, in the sideways move, sideways move, sideways move, but it's breaking out in fact, okay? So if it happens to pass above this level, it might like to push the price towards the upper side, right? But if it happens to give rejection, right, if it happens to get rejection from here, come to this level and passing above, if it happens to come in this level firstly, then it might like to give a bigger targets for you all. So planning along from this side, okay, might give you all a bigger setup on upper side with a big targets, okay? So this can be one, all right. But from here you should get a structure, exactly the good structure. Hi Shift Trader, how are you doing? How are you doing? So far so cool. Yeah, so if the price happens to drop first, then it will give a bigger target, okay? And confident rate, if you are waiting for the confident rate later on also, you can plan above this levels, all right? So firstly, I'm expecting price to drop a little bit, getting a rejection from here and go up. So maybe that can be another way around as well. So we should be ready for anyone. If it directly moves up, then one long position can be set up over here, taking advantage of the sideways and going up will be one position, okay? So let's see guys, anyways, what the Bitcoin plans, all right, today. Okay, one setup from here, one setup from here, and one shot if it gets rejection till over here, all right? So this is going to be our position for today. Let's see guys what happens. Right now there is no good volume, but in fact it is playing in a sideways, so giving a smaller moves, okay? So you should always remember that whenever there is a sideways move, you will get a bigger moves on a upper side, right? Let's go, and meanwhile there is no good volume on the Bitcoin. We'll be checking on Ethereum as well, all right? So gold got market closed, so nothing much to worry over there, all right? Let's check on Ethereum what's happening, right? Ethereum, hi Nailamit, hello, welcome guys, welcome to the Saturday session. Okay, most of the time the Saturday session I plan it for a big learning purposes, right? So this was the setup that I have given you all on the setup, the algo, right, on the last 2 to 3 days earlier, right? And today it just pumped up this morning and it gave a target of 8 to 9% on the per side, all right? Those who are interested for the different coins, okay? So most probably firstly breaking out this one, if it happens to come out a little bit, it will drop it and it will pump again, okay? So that can be expected in this algo move. So right now the Bitcoin is also similar to this one, so we are at this levels, all right? Bitcoin, if you happen to check it, well, you are over here, right? So it can directly go up also, okay? Might like to drop firstly a little bit as well. So we'll check it accordingly, all right? Nothing much to worry. Excuse me. Ethereum is also forming a shrink candles in this shrink price in this level. All right, you see, it is going like a bullet, right, guys? Bullet on the Ethereum as well. Similar like BT only. You see, this is what's forming, right? So if it happens to break out on a one side, then we'll plan on opposite directions and we'll go accordingly. All right. So most probably I'll expect the price to fall first, then we plan upper side. That will be a beautiful one. So Ethereum also, if it happens to come to the zone, 2,287 dollars, I will target the $2,380 on the upper side. If it gives a little bit downside fall firstly before it moves up. Okay. So accordingly, we will plan. Nothing much to worry, guys. Okay. In this levels also, if you happen to see the triangle wise, this is forming the shrink candles, right? Price is getting squeezed and the sideways move. All right, this is what's happening on this levels, right? So sideways move was there on the BT as well, and it is trying to form a candle like this. Yep. So most probably, let's see. Firstly, upper side till this level, that can be expected, right? Or if it happens to fall down, then we will get a good good triangle over here. All right, the triangle shape is going to be a little bit changed after we get a fall. All right, so anyways, you should know that the price is getting shrink now. All right, either it will burst on the upper side or it will come on a downside. Okay, so this is what we see on right now on the Bitcoin, and as well as the Ethereum is a perfect triangle we can see right now. Okay, so I'm expecting firstly a fall bit, then going up will be a beautiful one. All right, so if you are not able to analyze it, just let the market move. All right, firstly, hello guys, welcome guys, welcome everyone, welcome. Right, so firstly, coming to this level, firstly it will be a beautiful one. So most probably what I'm saying is coming to here and going up like this will be a beautiful one. All right, firstly I request a drop this list level whereby I will place my long position. This will be a level, all right, whereby I will be planning for the long position. But until and unless I'm not getting structure, I'm not planning it. All right, so most probably this will be the place whereby I will be planning for my long position. Okay, from this level till that 79,400, $79,500, right? Or maybe better than that one as well. Okay, let's see guys what happens. This on 5 minutes, guys. All right, so just observe it, let the market move it. Okay, so even if you are aggressive in the sideways move, okay, what I'm saying is it is trying to form an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so there are two possibilities to move for the Bitcoin right now. Either follow this inverted head and shoulder pattern, right? Either follow this one pattern, go up and follow this pattern and move up, or swap all the way towards this one, take the liquidation and move up, right? So most probably what I'm saying is the similar thing. Okay, with this strategy also similar thing. If it happens to get rejection from this level, most probably the Bitcoin wants to come to this level and move up, right? So this can be one possibilities. Okay, if it happens to get rejection from this level, and if it happens to give you a short move, then I might like to go directly towards the downside. Okay, so that can be one possibilities. One short move from here if it happens to get rejection. If it moves directly up, then that will be we're expecting a trend for an upper side. Okay, so this can be one move. put the stop loss in the zone. All right, if it continues a sideways move, all right, guys, this can be one expected moves that we can expect in the Bitcoin. All right, but until and unless it's not checking this level, I'm not going to short it. After checking this level, if it gets rejection, then only I can plan for the shorts. All right, so I'm expecting there will be a one small breakout on upper side whereby people will get in and they will trap it, market will trap it and come down all the way. So the possibility is directly coming down also, but I'm not going to short it if it happens to come directly down. After getting over here, then only the structure becomes complete and I shall short it towards this level, that is 1%, and we plan long from here. Most probably I would love to long from here, this levels. Okay, and go boom on Saturday and Sunday. Yep. But rather, if the price happens to break out and go over here, if it moves directly, it won't be able to pass much. It will be stuck in this level, that is $78,380, and it might like to give a big dump on the downside. All right, so that can be expected, guys. All right, this is on 5 minutes. I'm trying to ignore the 1 minute because this is too noisy for the 1 minutes, right? This is one level. Let's see, guys. Okay, moving up a bit on a smaller time frame and getting a rejection from this level, most probably these levels, right, will be a beautiful shot for us. So this I'm expecting right now. Let's see. Anyways, we'll be watching the market. Okay, we'll get the opportunities, don't worry, guys. Algo is blasting like anything right now. I have given the setup already, but if sand also I have given you all last time. But make your own research, okay, guys, before you move in, right? So sand also getting a good structure over here. Sand is, if it bursts, it will give a big moves on upper side. Sand, it have been accumulating a lot on the sand from last time only. Sideways move, we have expected sideways move on the sand on this level, right? And it came down a bit and it is trying to pump up. So this will be one target for the sand. Firstly 0.092. all right, if it is not moving, Bitcoin is not moving, sand is there. Mm-hmm. 14% pumped. Beautiful pump on sand. It will break above this resistance and move up, I guess. Most probably sand. Sand is still in the base for the swing traders, long holders, those who love holding for a long. Looks like reversal. भूटानी भाई का हाल है भाई, अप स्पॉट ठीक ही है हमारा, तो आपका क्या हाल है? New high, looks like reversal on Bitcoin. Firstly, I'm planning for a short if I get it from this level and come down this levels, and going up will be a beautiful Beautiful long first. Okay, let's see if we get a structure for that. I won't miss this one. All right, this is going to be almost 3.23 percentage on Bitcoin. Tin chima maji bo chonga na kan be. Just observe right now. It is like yeah, reversal for the altcoins. Altcoins are getting reversed now, guys. Channel with trend lines. Okay, guys. Nothing much to worry. You'll see it. Okay. So for the altcoins, right now you are still at the base if you check it. All right, guys. Guys, we are still at the base. Those holders. If it happens to burst, come on, guys. Next level move we can expect. In coming days, sand I'm expecting more than a $1. Okay, so we are still at the base, not able to move. Sand. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin is not moving. We keep on doing other analysis as well. All right. Excuse me. 1.5. Sand might give this structures. तू ही बता नया प्यार है नया इंतजार This one sand. If you guys want me to gold, SMA color, green, black, yellow. Okay, SMA from plan to BTC taking 84. That is super gap up or gap or down gold. Super max. That will be super. That's super. Requires that one. Okay. BTC towards 84,000. That would be a lovely one. Broke out about this level. and it's growing like a crazy. I'm in long dragon target 77,877. Love this channel drawing, shows buy and sell signals. Love the channel drawing. Okay, I'm in long target 77,877 on BT. That's also great. If it happens to break out that above this level, you can still hold it. If it gets rejection, that you will get a signal already. All right, over here. But I'm expecting some liquidation before we move up. Let's see anyways, okay? Super crazy. On sideways, you are good. The only problem we are not confident is because it is inside the sideways box, guys. Okay, so it have been trying to break out on upper side as well as lower side. Okay, so over here you have one inverted head and shoulder pattern. If it pass through, then it will give you one long position. All right, at this level. Right, if it gets rejection from here or gets a fake out from here, it will firstly come for a big liquidation and downside and pump up. Okay, this can be expected. Let's see what it does. All right, two things over here. One, push it down after getting faked out, or continuously move up. All right, two things we can expect in this zone for now. So when I'm confused, I don't enter the trade. Okay, I just wait for the clear moves. Let's see, guys. We can't say anything over here. In fact, if it breaks out on upper side, breakout was already given. Just the thing is, it needs to clear it off. The retest. All right, on upper side from this level. So two things from here: either pass through and go up continuously, or get a small fake out moves on upper side and just drop till this level and pass on upper side. Okay, simple. Yes, new high everyone. Every time I come on a live stream from Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday as well. Saturday and Sunday a little bit early, on weekdays after 3 hours from this zone. Weekdays Monday to Friday. All right. So you can catch me over there doing all analysis, trying to understand the market. All right. Every day I will be there. Every day. So right now the Ethereum is also getting shrinked. Okay. It is shrinked. So if it happens to give a long position from here, it will be a beautiful long that is 4% on Ethereum and BT. Let's see, guys, if it passes by directly on upper side. If you have already long, then no problem in this zone as well. You can smartly hold it, right? If it passes by above this level, you might like to see a good pump on upper side. Okay, if it gets faked out, quickly on the downside. Okay, two things: one, liquidation, one side is on upper setup. Inverted head and shoulder pattern over here, guys. Good for you all for bullish, right? Inverted head and shoulder pattern over here. If it breaks out, boom. Or take the liquidation on downside. Two options from here: either directly move up or get a liquidation. So let me mark over here. One will be breakout, and one is going to be two levels. One is breakout, one is liquidation. Which will be expected? Let's see. Okay, guys. 2 p.m. New York section by me. All right. What you eat? It is gutka, Kabir Dutta. It is gutka. It is called gutka. What you call? We call it loma. You call it. You call it what? Pan. You call it supari. Pan supari. Huh. Pan supari, guys. We call it pan supari. We call it toma. Let's see, guys, what happens over here. I need to go. If you already have design hub, Neo Dragon Steam starts around 2 p.m. UTC. You can align with your time zone. Yeah. I'm good, Srijesh. I'm good. I'm good. Let's see. Over here, breakout or If it gives a breakout, then first target will be this one. This will be a first target, right? Liquidation can come till this zone. Yes, that can be. Boom. That is possible because you are holding from down, right? So nothing much problem there. You're holding from 77,000. Mm, 100 something else, right? Kabir Dutta, no, I'm not Indian. I'm Bhutanese. I'm Bhutanese, bro. TP, 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 TP. Non-stop blast. Ethereum. It's okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Hold from Aujita. 77,500. Oh, you have from here. Good if you have already from the down. So even if it gives liquidation, you will already know and you can get it exit, right? If it gives breakout, well and good for you. Boom, 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 boom. Right. We need a volume. To get a volume, market needs to take the liquidations. Why I feel like price is dumping, guys? Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see. BTC is not moving much right now. GP, 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 GP. If it gets breakout on upper side, it has a possibilities to go on upper side, right? 0.756. If it gets downside, it will come all the way. Let's see, guys. Anyways, right now the price is in a sideways. Okay, guys, sideways, totally sideways, and price is getting shrink. You should understand. It will create some FOMO. All right, that can be an upper side. If it gets breakout on upper side, boom till this level. Okay, that can be expected. Sand is booming like anything. This target was missed. This entry. Above this level it is long. Okay, below, if it gets rejection from here, comes down below, it will be downside. Okay, now if it goes up and breaks below this one, this will create a bearish move on Ethereum. Okay, if it gets rejection from here, it will be मेरा मन. It is always confusing towards the sideways move. Okay, whenever the price is in middle. Right now the prices are in middle. If you try to check it, okay, below, it's in middle. All right, so you have to be careful in the zone. If you have already hold it along from the downside, that is well. Okay, good. So you can test on the, you can still hold patiently with when there is a breakout, right? If you're planning on a breakout at the middle, then sometimes it will be a little bit. Gold today, the gold is closed. Let just a second. All right, just a second, I'll be back. So there are two possibilities right now on the BTC as well. All right, either the price move up and take the breakout, or come for the liquidation and go up. So better for me, the opportunity is this level. Even if I long from this level, I will get a very big move on upper side. So best trading zone will be this one for me. All right, just a second, I'll be back. All right, let's observe together. Nothing much to worry. Okay, guys, nothing much to. Hi, Inju. Hi, hello, welcome, guys, welcome. Need to wait for some times, alright, guys. For the downside, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this will be the place. Any indicator traders on stream? Any indicators? Indicator traders on stream. All right, all right. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. From here to two levels. Okay, whenever I'm confused, I never trade it. Okay, that's me. All right. But there are two levels. Either the price can come for the liquidation and downside, or either the price will give the breakouts. All right. Most probably, I feel that there will be a liquidation side before we get for the bigger levels, because like we don't have a good volume right now, so market needs to get that volume. All right, before that liquidation, before pumping up, and after that usually it moves. So I always tell you, market needs to have some money to pay the retailers. All right, so they make some money first and they pays you off, right? Okay, so just be careful, guys, if you are planning setups in these levels. All right, you should be a little bit careful because you're one way, you are in sideways move. All right, and you're getting one setup on a long side, which means that can be a trap for you all. All right, market might like to give you all a big liquidation on downside. All right, so that can be expected. Okay, guys, so just be careful. Try, if you are planning it, go with as minimum fund as possible. All right, so most probably this is also giving a downside move for now. One retest left on upper side before it drops down all the way. Let's get back to the 1 minute time frame. All right, and check it out. So totally a breakdown on a downside, but one retest should be there, whereby the price needs to move up and come down. All right, so let's see, guys. Okay, so nothing much to worry, guys. All right, everything is going to be fine, but just be careful, guys. If you are trading in a weekends, try to go with a small fund as possible so that you don't get bashed off, right, guys? Okay, so two levels, one can be liquidation, one can be breakout. So most probably, if it happens to give the liquidation, after that the volume will be good, then I plan my trade setup. All right, so even if I plan over here, it might be only a small pump till over here. Okay, after the liquidation you get a bigger volumes, right? Okay, Okira Brena. Hey, hi, hey guys, hey, welcome guys, and welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon Boot 30. As usual, we are doing some analysis on Bitcoin. We are observing it. All right, you learn a lot. All right, education, learning about the setup is more important than you're trying to make some dollars in that trading field. Always try to invest. Preference should be education, then only your setups. All right, those setup for now is not a financial advice though. All right, but this is totally for the education purpose only, so that you manage it accordingly. All right. Breaking out on a downside, we need a upper move after the breakout retest. That time you will get one place whereby people will get a chance to exit it, right? If you have a plan on a long, and yeah, the people will buy over there and they will get trapped on the top side. All right, let's see. Now it's totally breaking down, which is making bearish. One retest left. All right, so retest can be till the upper level also. Even anyway, maybe first liquidations towards the upper side. In fact, it did plant. 1, 2, 3. I was waiting for this one and it just slipped away from my head. Don't stop. So next time when the price goes up and comes down, my short zone will be over here. Okay, and I plan my shots and boom downside. All right, that can be a liquidation. All right, after going up, retesting it, the retest can be till this level, also till this level, just level. Let's see. Okay, but it how far it moves. $1 profit. Wow. Single dollar profit is also very important, guys. Even if you are about to make $0.5 profit, that's also fine. But at least it should be in a green zone. Closing a weekend in a green zone is very, very like you're doing good already. Okay. Closing a trade in a green zone. Hey, my love, you stole my heart. Hey, love, I can feel the now. Algo and Sand are pumping like anything, guys, today. These setups are crazy. It's going crazy, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. They're pumping like anything. BTC needs to get one retest from the top. Careful, huh, guys. Weekends, just be careful. If you are planning to trade, go with a small fund as possible. All right, so that you guys don't get bashed off. Right? I don't want people getting bashed off. It might give a breakout, then trap the people and swipe you all down. What I'm saying is, those who are holding from the bottom, well and good. But if you're planning along from here, need to be careful. All right, because like it can give you all the fake out moves as well. All right, so just be careful, guys. All right. Just be careful, guys. Careful, careful. One breakout upper side, one liquidation downside. Hey, love, I can feel the moon. Sari umbre hum, mar ke जी लिए एक पल तो आप हमें $1 profit. Okay, let's see, guys, which side it goes. Okay, you'll know. Right now, the Bitcoin and Ethereum, if you see it, it have broken down, which have making a bearish move. All right, smaller time frame, it have gone for a bearish move. All right, for now, the retest, the perfect retest, were not done yet. All right, the retest, perfect retest, the bigger retests are not done. All right, so smaller retest you can see over here. Okay, so usually market moves without retest during the weekends. Don't like. After the retest, if it happens to plan come over here, then I can short and go towards downside. Okay, BT Ethereum, BT Ethereum, BT Ethereum. If it gives breakout on upper side, careful, guys. If it is a real, then well and good. But if it is fake moves, then you might like to get bashed off for the liquidation on the downside. All right. Just be careful. So I'll be waiting for the price to come down in this level to go for a long. If it gets reaction. Hey, love. Hi, Anthony, Supermax. Hey, everyone, guys, welcome, welcome, guys, welcome, welcome. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday session. All right, when the market gets better, right? Saturday and Sunday, usually we can't expect the bigger volumes as well. Most of the time, it will be in sideways move only. All right. Welcome, brothers. Welcome. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, guys. All right. So nothing much to worry over here. Just observe on these levels. Okay. If you want to be clean. So if it happens to break out on the upper side, that will be on the long side. If it happens to remain below, that will be on short side. Okay. So the problem is usually on the Saturday and Sunday there can be a fake out moves as well. So just be careful with that one. Giving a breakout might swipe you all the way downside as well. All right. So just be careful with that one. Okay, guys. I just want to make you aware of those things. Okay. When you're planning on the weekends, just go with the minimum fund as possible if you are planning your longs from the top, right? Price should break out and come down, usually, as far as I know. If it gives breakout and comes for the liquidation, it will come till 77,000. How much, guys? That will be, let me delete this one. Yeah, that will be this levels first, then move up. Okay, if it continuously goes up, gives a, if there is no fake out moves on upper side, and if it's a breakout, so usually we get trapped whenever there is a fake out moves on the bitcoins or any coins, right? For the breakout traders, they won't know that is a breakout or a fake out, so usually that is a trap for those to make losses. So better I Saturday and Sunday I wait for the price to come down firstly, or maybe it will get clear off on the upper side, then I plan it on the second phase only. Okay, a little bit upper side, but I'll take it. All right, just be careful. All right, guys. Hey, love. Still have a chance of going up right now, so nothing much to worry. All right. तू जाने ना तू जाने ना Oh, मिलके भी हम ना मिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों ओ फासले तुमसे न जाने क्यों कैसे बताए कैसे जाए Oh. Maybe shorter get bashed. That's also chances, guys, right? Or like one-sided, it will be bashed anyways, and those kind of moves. All right. So just be careful, guys. Try to go with the minimum fund as possible. All right. So don't get bashed off. Okay. Just make your own research. This is not a financial advice, though, guys. All right. For me, TP is 80,500. Yes, my TP is around. My TPs, if it happens to goes up, my TPs is going to be around. Let me see. All right. If it happens to go up continuously, my targets are so high. My targets are. Oh. Mm-hmm. 81 to $82,000. All right. But my buying position is a little bit lower side. Okay, guys, I'm waiting for the firstly to get out of this box. Okay, I want the price to get out of this box. So right now the price squeeze it all the way. Oh. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Nothing much to worry. Okay. If it breaks out, well and good. I'll wait for the position. Okay. But you will observe it over here. You'll get it your chance immediately. All right. Nothing much to worry. I feel nothing much to worry. Okay. Just be calm. So exactly, you see again over here as well the what the Bitcoin, the Ethereum is doing. Ethereum is doing this way, guys. Right at the point, right, guys, getting shrink. Okay, the price getting shrinked in these levels. Okay, you see this one. All right, so I wait for the another opportunities. All right, so if it breaks out, well and good, you move it till this level, $72,341 on Ethereum, and if it breaks out on Bitcoin, let's try to have exact one, right, so that you guys don't get squeezed it, you understand it better. Yeah, so these are the levels right now. Did I write it wrong or did I draw it correct or not, guys? मिलके भी हम ना मिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों क्यों फासले तुमसे न जाने क्यों chances are not bad. Boom, $79,000 as well possible. But need to wait a little bit more, guys. Wait a little bit more and plan a little bit late. So triangle patterns, if it has to form it, yes, there is one possibilities. I don't know why I feel like there will be a liquidation firstly, then only it can plan. One liquidation, then plan. Hi, Anthony. Anthony, hey guys, if you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. All right, guys. Okay. I'm expecting some liquidation first, then only I will plan it. Okay. First liquidation, then plan. Because right now there is no good volume to give you the profits by the market. It needs to give you the market needs to have it box first, right? If market don't have money, from where they will provide you? People are not getting inside the trade right now since there's sideways. So in sideways move, usually liquidation first, then only check which side is the liquidations. All right, guys. मिलके भी हम ना मिले कल से न जाने क्यों broke out, price broke out, did a small retest, again retest, and it is clearing off for this time frame. The target is done. All right. This is on Ethereum right now. Ooh. Don't worry, there is liquidation in upper side as well for this level of pattern if it happens to pass up. It is giving a bearish move, okay, on a small time frame on Bitcoin. The price have broken out, all right, broken out. The price have broken out from this level trend line. Price have broken out, just small retest, or that can be a good liquidations pump on upper side, okay, liquidating all the shorts over here, okay. So firstly going up can give you a good pump as well, all right, nothing much to worry. But the pattern is for the shorts, the signal is given for the shorts, okay, and on while retesting it can give you a good liquidation, which means people who are entering early in the shorts, they should be taken out of this market, right? For them the price might like to go for a good retest on the upper side, that can be till over here, here, anywhere, and dump later, all right. Got to know, see ya, got to go, all right, new high, all right, okay. I'll be also not much over here. I'll be just observing which liquidation side it is taking, and we'll try to analyze it because the market have not good move, no have doesn't have any good moves right now, all right. Right now it's not giving you all good moves, all right. So I'll wait for the price to break out on upper side or come down all the way, then I will plan it, okay. So this is what I'm going to do, okay guys, nothing much to worry. Hey buddy, nothing much to worry. Yeah. Balanasya, balanhuam. No breakouts yet, guys. There have no breakouts. Got a rejection, good rejection once, okay, on Ethereum as well as in Bitcoin. Lovely shots, lovely. Liquidation, maybe it is planning for the liquidations, guys. Just be careful, extra careful. Observe this whether it is breaking out upper side or not, okay. This inverted head and shoulder pattern, two things over here, either liquidations or just respect this inverted head and shoulder pattern over here, all right. Respect this or get a big drop from this levels towards downside. If it respect this inverted head and shoulder pattern, the price will pump up If it gets liquidation, if the market tries to plan for you all for the liquidation, it will dump very big low. Okay, two things it will happen from here. Either that can be a big bump or that can be a big low. All right, big fall. So I'm not entering over here, I'm just watching it. Okay, this is my plan right now. Must take out yesterday's low. That's also possible. Yes, yes, that's also possible, designer hub. Okay, so we must wait, we can't react directly. Patience, guys, patience. Patience is required. Now this is, yeah, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, yeah, and the dance flow stable stater controls 59% of 320 billion stable coins. On a sideways move from either direction, you will be right. Your setup will be right only. Okay, your setup will be right. So for the long one, if I have to check it, you check this setup, this is a bull signals. Okay, for liquidation, this is short. Okay, that's all. So whereby you get confused in these levels. All right, nothing much to do over there. So one side it will be sure for, it will try to bash it off. Either market can plan you for the liquidations, or market will go for the bull move. Okay, two things will happen. दिमाग खराब मार्केट है यार, क्या करूं भाई लोग, दिमाग खराब मार्केट है अभी. This not market is not good right now. If possible, don't try to trade in the weekends. You will get lots of opportunity during the weekdays. All right. Until and unless you find a perfect setup, which is not confusing you, right? That is must. Okay, guys. That is must. You need to find a perfect setup. retest left. For liquidation, they plan short from here. Okay. For buyers, they plan long from here. Again, it will try to pull down, confuse the people. People will be confused so much. Let's see anyways what it does. After it clears off this one, we will plan it accordingly. Let it clear this levels, guys. Okay, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right? So that you learn a lot anyways. Okay, those who don't want to trade in a weekends, well and good. Okay, thumbs up for you all. But if you are planning in a weekends, you need to be extra careful, and your fund management skills should be so well, okay guys, so good. Then only you'll be able to generate some profits from the market. Okay, otherwise you'll get bashed off, guys, in the weekends. All right, so most of the people, the professional traders, what they does is they don't trade during the weekends. They just let it go. All right, they just let it go. Okay, so this is what they does. So just be the opportunities will be always there. Okay guys, opportunity is going to be always there. All right, so nothing much to worry over there. Okay, opportunities is always going to be there. Don't worry at all. All right, Ethereum giving a small drop. It's because like you have seen it already, like the price are getting squeezed now, guys. Price is at the level of getting squeezed, whereby the market is having no volume right now because people are worried now in this level. Price can either pump up or dump down, and most of the SLs will be removed on those zones, right? This is on Ethereum, guys. See, check it out. So price is getting squeezed in this level, right? It is getting squeezed. So price, firstly, what I feel is for now, but as far as I am suggest, this is one just my observation. The prices will come over here and just pump up. Okay, so this is what I'm feeling. So most probably if I have to go for the long position, I'll wait for the position to come in these levels. All right, or if I can go with a small fund from here on a shorter side. Okay, that can be very risky, okay, for me. So most probably if the price happens to come down later in the zone, I will plan my one long position from this level and push it all the way towards the upper side. Until and unless if there is no setups in this level, I'm not going to touch it, guys. I'm not going to touch it. Okay, if there is no setup, I won't touch it at this level. All right, so if it gets a setup for a buy long setup, like breaking out, right, confirming the price actions, right, those kind of things, then I'm going to go for one long position from this level, most probably from this level, and plan it all the way upper side. Okay, but if it happens to move on upper side, I'll most probably planning a shorter side from this level or this levels. Okay, so I will wait for the short position from the top and long position from the down. Okay, whenever there is a shrink candle like this. Okay, so let's see what the market does. Okay guys, let's see. All right, for now I'll let it flow. So for my advice, not advice, I'm not a financial advisor though, but what I will do, what you have to do is you wait for the price to get out of this box, then only you can plan it. Okay, you plan after getting out of this box, then it will be good. Right now, even if you plan for a long or short, it will be the TPs is going to be so short until and unless you become a lucky and it break out towards your directions. If you are planning a long from here and if it break out on the upper side, well and good, right, and you're continuously getting the profit on the upper side, but the luck thing is never going to be like permanent for you all. Sometimes it will give you luck, and sometimes it will give you some bashed off as well. So just be careful, okay? So just be careful. On a BTC also, it's breaking out on upper side right now. It's breaking out. It broke out on the upper side. It's not sure that whether the price is going to pump up or not, because we are worried if it is some fake out moves on the upper side. Okay, so beautiful move was given on upper side. Okay guys, so beautiful breakout is given in upper side right now. Okay, on the BT gave a beautiful breakout on upper side. So that can be a fake out breakout, as well as that can be a, so usually in a weekdays, what I do is after, as soon as there is a breakout, I just plan go for a long position from this level and just plan for my long positions, right? Something like that. Okay, whenever it comes for a little bit retest, I plan to go for a long position and try to trace this long position all the way on the upper side. Okay, but the volume is not good right now. It might come for the liquidation anytime, and you might get like to get a bashed off, right? So just be careful guys. Okay, just be careful. Just be a little bit careful. All right, even if you are going for the long position, or like short position. Hey designer hub, okay, it's okay, you can, I'll see you later. All right, I'll see you later. Okay guys, what I'll do is I'll come up later on after market gets a little bit set up. Well, okay guys, right now the market is not giving any moves. Okay, so maybe after 4 to 5 hours it will try to plan a good setups. All right, that time we will plan one setup and we will do on live. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay, so that you can trace me later on. I'll come on the live stream later on. All right, then I'll try to check it out. Right now the market moves are so risky and I cannot plan any setup right now, but that is informative for you all. Right now the market is still inside the sideway box, and like it is going to be risky. Anyways, see you all later guys after 3 hours. After 3 hours I'll be back on a live stream. You catch me over there. All right guys, because like right now the market is not very perfect. Okay, if the price happens to move in these levels, then I will plan one setup. Okay, so that time I will see you. All right, maybe I'll let it the price be breakout for now on 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so this level also, don't be confident that this is a breakout. All right, it can anytime bash you for the liquidation on the downside. Okay, or it can continue upper side continuously as well. Okay, but we are never sure on the weekdays, weekends, right, which side the market is going to plan for us. Okay, so right now this is the level. Okay, okay, so this is the level. Either it can directly push you all towards the upper levels like this as well. That is also possible. All right, if you want to take risks now, you can take it risks on upper side. Okay, but this is not a financial advice guys. Okay, but if you want it, you can take a small risk ignoring the fake outs. All right, if you are ignoring, but this trade is going to be a little bit risky. Okay guys, if you check like this way, all right, you'll see one setup in this level whereby you can plan one long setup from here. Your target one will be this level, right, and your target two will be this level, and target three accordingly towards the upper side like this. Okay, so that can be 79,000 to $80,000 on the upper side. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit risky guys. So if you are planning long from there, your SL should be 0.3 percentage. Okay, so but if the price happens to come for the liquidation, you guys are going to get bashed off. You just remind yourself, so plan accordingly with a small fund as possible. All right, if the market comes for the liquidation first and plan it, then plans for the upper side, then you might like to get bashed off. Okay, so what I'm saying is I'll be waiting for the price for the BT as well to come a little bit on downside. Okay, and I can plan one setup on upper side. Okay, accordingly, and go all the way towards the upper side, you'll get more targets, more profits, and less risky. This is going to be less risky, okay? But you can find one setup from here only, okay? But this is going to be very, very risky. Come on, guys, I'm reminding you again and again. All right, so better for me, if I was there, I'll wait for the price to let it come down in this level. All right, and I plan my setups on upper side. By then I'll be nearing another support, okay, nearing another support, and that will be a beautiful one for me. All right, guys, don't get faked out with this breakout on upper side right now, most probably from this levels, right? Yeah, most probably from this level I will be planning my long setups. All right, I'm ignoring the risky trades for now. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. Okay, I'll see you later on after 3 to 4 hours, guys. Putti Jimmy. Okay, hello guys, welcome. Let me catch me after 3 to 4 hours. Then you'll get the setups. All right, guys, this setup and this setups we will try to analyze together and try to catch it. Right now, the Bitcoin as well as the Ethereum is still inside this box. Let it come out of the box, then you plan it. That will be better. All right, guys. Okay, for algo, this is the algo that I have given you all long time back. In a VIP also I have given it. If you guys are interested for VIP, always welcome. All right, so it gave a pump of almost 13 to 14 percentage pump on upper side. Algo and sand was also there. Okay, that was for the sport holders. Okay, and that was lovely, guys. Yep. So sand also going lovely. We planned long from this level, and it also went lovely. That is 11%. We'll observe it later if it gives another chance for you all right, so don't miss later on. All right, after 2 hours. Okay, if you guys have not joined the group, you keep joining the group so that you get the notification early. All right, we'll come after 1 to 2 hours and check it out on this levels. All right, let the price drop first, then we will plan for the long side. Okay, so for here the long side, I'm not risking in this level. Okay,